I considered it both seemly and touching that my dear wife should visit me, as she did this morning, to make her farewells. Your arrival, on the other hand, appears to me unseemly and tasteless in the extreme.
I couldn't bear my last sight of you to be that look of hatred you gave me as you went out from the trial.
In view of the fact that your evidence had put the rope round my neck, you could hardly expect a glance of warm affection.
Isn't there any hope?
What hope could there be?
I was only thinking, that question you asked at the trial, about Lyon leaving a suicide note. Suppose he did. Suppose that one were found, even now, this last evening.
It would save her of a miracle.
Miracles can happen. Miracles could happen.
I see.
Oh, strange, isn't it, how things turn out? Now, if you had married me instead of Edith.
Oh, you had married me instead of Lionel.
He would still be alive, and you wouldn't be going to be hanged tomorrow morning. Unless, of course, you'd murdered somebody else.
All of which is rather beside the point, isn't it?
Is it? Do you remember in the old days how we used to play eeny, meeny, miny, mo?
Catch a nigger by his toe.
If he hollers, let him go. Out goes he. Quite a lot of little niggers have gone out, haven't they, one way or another? And every one of them a Gascoigne.
We do seem to be a very short-lived family.
Of course, Edith is only a Gascoigne by marriage, so I suppose her prospects are better. Except for a miracle, like the other one we were talking about.
So there it was. She would find the suicide note. If I, in return, would murder Edith.
So we now have two miracles in mind, do we?
Yes.
I wonder if they are in any way dependent on each other.
I suppose perhaps they might be. What do you think?
Time's up.
What do you think?
Poor Edith. I'm afraid all this is going to take years of her life.
Au revoir, Louis.
Au revoir.
What could I do but accept? After all, I could always decide afterwards which of these two little niggers would finally have to go. Dear Edith. Captivating Sibella. How different they were, and how well I knew each of them.